The first thing we need to do is access the candidate portal, the same portal we've been using throughout the admission process. Since we've completed all the steps, the only one left is enrollment. In this section, we will see that our documentation has been accepted. Remember that the username for accessing the university portal is the one shown above. Click on Acceso Automatrícula and enter the username we just mentioned. If you don't remember your password, that's okay, you'll be able to reset it. Log in and click on Grado. Fill in the required fields with your parents' information, save changes, and click Next. Complete the information with your bank details. You can add a new account or update an existing account holder. Make sure the information you provide is correct. Check the box and click Next. We now need to download Mandato de Domiciliación, the direct debit mandate. Once signed, you will need to upload it. You can do this by dragging it into the window or clicking the Upload Signed Mandate button. Once done, click Next. Read the basic information on personal data protection, accept the terms and conditions to proceed, then click Next. The Ministry of Education asks you to complete this survey for statistical purposes. It's related to your parents' educational background. Accept and click Next. Now select the degree program you wish to enroll in. We must review all of our information to ensure it is correct, and it's time to choose the subjects. If you want to select a full academic year, click on Filter or Filtro. Choose the year and select all the subjects. You can also choose the subjects one by one. You can choose how many installments you want to use to pay for the course. You can make a single payment or opt for installment payments. In either case, you can add or modify the account for the charges. Confirm and finish. Download the payment letter, where you can verify all the selected subjects. If we return to the university portal, we click on Salir de matrícula. Thank you very much.